Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name's Casey.
And I'm Malls.
And today we have a very exciting video for you. Molly, tell them what's going on.
We are going to make gingerbread cookies from scratch.
From scratch. If you guys are interested in the recipe, we'll include it below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, okay?
Brown the butter, and I gotta wait till it has a golden brown look to it and it has a nutty scent. Okay, so the butter is done and I poured it into this smaller container and it is going to sit there for 15 minutes and then we are going to mix it with some other ingredients.
All right, now that we've let the brown butter cool, we're gonna add that into the mixer along with our dark brown sugar.
So now we have to add the molasses, the oil, and then the egg, and the vanilla. And then I'm going to stir it.
Now we're going to add the flour, salt, and the baking soda slowly to the recipe.
Now I have 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and then 1 tablespoon of ground ginger.
Now we're going to roll it out.
Okay, now it's time to make our gingerbread men.
All right, that was 10 minutes. Let's get them in the oven.
Now we are going to melt the white chocolate.
All right, time to try them.
Wow. This one's super ugly. So these are all my cookies I decorated. And then these are Casey's. It's probably clear which ones are better, but put in the comments below on which ones you like best.
All right, ready to go. Sealed off, ready to bring to our family.